आम्ही अजूनही सांगता, आमच्या लिडरशिप राहुल गांधींनी सांगला की तुम्ही 2023 जे बिल हाडले फॉर वुमन रिजर्वेशन वेर वी हॅव सपोर्टेड गेट इट इम्प्लिमेंटेड, वी विल हेल्प यू इन दॅट. मोदी सरकार ते कित्याक करना? 2021 सेन्ससा प्रमाणे वुमन रिजर्वेशन कर, वी आर रेडी. बट वुमन रिजर्वेशनच्या नावार तू जर तर डिलिमिटेशन बिल चोर वाटेन हाडटलो जाल्यार ते ह्या देशाच्या जनतेक ते कबूल ना. सेन्सस 2000 तू आता 27 करता म्हणटा, लेट कास्ट सेन्सस हॅपन अँड देन विथ डिलिमिटेशन लेट द नंबर ऑफ सीट्स इन्क्रीज जाता काय डिक्रीज जाता ते सेन्ससा प्रमाणे ठरवूया मरे. वाय नरेंद्र मोदी इन बॅकडोर वॉन्ट्स टू गेट दिस bill for delimitation in the name of women reservation? That we will not agree. And I think this BJP's attempt of misleading the people of the country has been defeated yesterday. They knew very well that this bill will not succeed. That is the reason when now 2 states elections are going on, when code of conduct is going on, they have got this only for political mileage, nothing else. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal are going for polls. What was the hurry and need to get this now? He could have got it later. And who stops Narendra Modi in implementing the 2023 bill for women reservation? Please do it. As per 2011 census, do it. अरे तू म्हाका सांग, आज नरेंद्र मोदीच्या कॅबिनेटान तो आज नारी शक्तीचे उलयता, कितली महिला पोर्टफोलिओ दिल्ल्या ते पयलीं ताणें सांगचें. गोंय राज्याचे जर आमी उलयता, ओ आज प्रमोद सावंत उलयता काँग्रेसीचेर, प्रमोद सावंताक विचार की आज गोंय राज्यान कितले % रिजर्वेशन ताणें कॅबिनेटान महिलांक दिले? 0. प्रमोद सावंत हॅज गिवन वुमन रिजर्वेशन इन हीज कॅबिनेट 0%. पयलीं ताजेर उत्तर दिया आनी मागीर म्हाका दिसता लोकांक मिसगायड करचें. सो वी कंडेम this act of BJP where they are trying to misguide the people of India, misguide the people of Goa, that Congress party is opposing the bill. We are not opposing the bill. In fact, we have given full support to implement the women reservation bill. But yes, if you are going to get the delimitation bill before the caste census, we will not agree. I think correct representation for the weaker segment, weaker section of the society has to be given. So let the caste census happen first, and then with due process the delimitation, let it come in the in front of people, and then I think the clear picture will come out. But if they are going to do backdoor entry, then Congress party is not going to be there for this bill.